Hi Priya,
Hello, sir.
good to see you again.
Good to see you too, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm doing great. So tell me, what do you want to today?
I want to know how can I communicate with a salesman or a woman? Because yesterday I went to mall, they were speaking English. That's why I have to face a loads of problems to communicate with them.
Oh, so you want to practice and how can you communicate in the mall? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So let's start the practice. Suppose that I'm a salesman, you are a customer. Suppose that we are in the mall, we are gonna communicate to each other. Okay.
okay,
So let's start the practice.
yes.
Oh, how can I help you, ma'am?
I want to buy some dresses for myself.
Oh, so which types of dresses do you want to buy?
I want to buy a gown, a shirt, and a pair of jeans.
Oh, for yourself or anyone else?
Gown for myself and shirt and jeans for my brothers.
Oh, your brother. So ma'am, please come with me. I'll show you some dresses. What you said. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can see I have brought a loads of dresses for you. So please have a look.
No, I don't like them.
Oh, you don't like them. And you tell me, what color do you like?
I want baby pink color gown, jeans in blue and shirt in white.
Oh, so please wait a moment. I'll I'll be back for your order. Okay. Oh, here you are, ma'am. So tell me, do you like or not?
Wow, I like them.
Oh, you liked.
Yes, you're right. Where is trial room?
Oh, go to left. You can see on the corner there is a trial room.
Okay. I will be back in a moment. It fitted for me.
Oh, that's great.
Bill, please.
Oh, Bill, you have to go to in the corner of the second floor. Okay, she will give you bill.
Okay. Thanks. Have a great day.
Have a great day, ma'am. Suppose that I'm a ma'am, and how can we communicate to each other? So let's start this conversation.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Make a bill for me.
Hang on a moment. I'll make a bill for you.
Okay.
So here is your bill.
Here you are.
Oh, so ma'am, do come again.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Have a great day, ma'am. Sophia, you can talk to like this whenever you go to mall, you can communicate to each other like this. You don't be hesitate. Whatever comes into your mind, just speak that. You don't think that it is wrong or right, because if you say anything, the person who is listening you, they can understand easily what you are gonna say to him or her. Okay, just speak English. Don't be hesitate, don't be confused. Okay.
Thank you for this great information, sir. Have a
Oh,
nice day.
you're welcome. Bye bye. Nice talking to you.
Me too, sir.
Okay, bye bye. See you soon.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.